Hi, it's Dina again. Just wanted to give you a little tour of the Great Story Farm and Animal Sanctuary. It's a pretty amazing place because even animals apparently have a great story too. All around the farm are all different kinds of animals, and their story came with trauma, but since they've been here, it's a story of resilience. Not only are these animals thriving under the care and love in this new home, but they're discovering that they actually have a purpose. And their purpose isn't to make milk or give rides. Their purpose is actually to help other people discover their purpose. For years now, we've had lots of children come here that have some things they're struggling with. Things that they aren't sure how to talk to humans about, but they sure can talk to the animals, because the animals are the most amazing listeners. I figured on this video tour I can give you a little backstory of some of the ways that they're actually changing the world too.
For example, Millie, she's a 9-year-old quarter horse, and we got her because the owner trainer described her as lazy and sold her for almost nothing, just to get rid of her. And after several trainers that also described her as bullheaded, a menace, stubborn, hates to be ridden, they all suggested I sell her at auction, which is pretty much how horses end up at the glue factory. I realized that maybe she just hadn't found her purpose yet. And Millie's so patient with children. Millie has the ability to feel the energy of children. She holds their stories and keeps their secrets. Being at the farm, just immersed in all the beautiful, perfect energy of the natural environment, it opens us up to new possibilities.
And if you ever want to come by and meet some of these critters in person, I'll tell you how you can do that. That's all for today from the Great Story Farm and Animal Sanctuary. We'll be back again soon to share more stories from our favorite furry and feathered friends. And one more thing, part of the proceeds from every sold copy of my Great Story Diary goes to help these little amazing